Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, LaMonicas Lab. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing this bombshell bob. It's a blunt cut bob that I've been dying to try. Like, I'm so excited. Thank you so much to Samsbeauty for collaborating with me on this video. They did send me this wig, but I'm going to give you my honest opinion. As usual, I will have all of their information down below in the description box where you can purchase this wig. But let's get into the specs of this wig. So if you love wig reviews, beauty tutorials, makeup tutorials, product reviews, then subscribe to my channel if you're not already. If you are subscribed, go ahead and turn on that notification bell so you won't miss an upload when I upload, and give this video a thumbs up if you like wig reviews. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this wig review.
So this is the Stylist Swiss Lace Invisible Deep Part Lace Wig. I got this one in the color OT30. It is a poker straight blunt cut bob. Here's how the ombre effect is on the hair, which is the OT30. And I'm just showing you guys how the hair looks. It is constructed with 3 combs, 2 in the front that I'm pointing to right here. 1 comb is in the back for the nasal of the neck. And it also has 2 adjustable straps for you to adjust it to your head size and liking. And then look at this parting. Here I'm just going to be quickly running my flat irons through just so it won't be too stiff, and also to give it a little more bounce to it and not straight out of the box.
This wig to me is big head friendly because I do have a big head and it fits me pretty well. I don't have it glued down or anything because I'm not going anywhere. I just literally put this on so that I can show you guys, but this is how the cut looks. It's pretty blunt. Pretty blunt, and it's super cute. I was a little hesitant on this color, super nervous because I was like, I haven't done like color on my actual hair in a while, so let me try it in the wig. And I'm like, why not? It's a wig. If I don't like the color, then I can always, you know, push that to the side and maybe try it another day. But I'm actually feeling the cut. This hair feels amazing. It's yaki hair. It's not a silky texture. It's not shiny at all. It definitely looks like, you know, human hair, although this is a synthetic wig. All in all, this wig is amazing. Like I said, I didn't have to pluck anything. I love this parting. I didn't have to put no concealer on it. I literally just have on the wig cap. I put a little bit of powder on the wig cap just so that it can match the rest of my face and my makeup, and boom. This is certainly a beginner-friendly bob. If you want to get into wigs, this is awesome because you don't have to do all that plucking and all that jazz. If you want, you can add concealer here, but I literally did not have to do that since I have on a new wig cap, and then I put my powder on top of the wig cap where the parting will be. But yeah, this wig is so cute. That's all the facts that I have about it. So if you like this wig, then give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.